QuickBooks Error 1904. 2 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1, close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2, if you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3, in the Tool Hub, select Installation Issues. Step 4, then, select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool and the tool can run up to 20 minutes. Step 5, when the tool finishes, restart your computer and open QuickBooks. Solution 2, change Windows account settings. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button and type in CMD. Step 2, click on Run as Administrator in the command prompt result. Step 3, type in Net User Administrator /active yes in the command prompt window and press the Enter key. Step 4, when the command is complete, close the window. Step 5, click on the Windows Start menu, click on the current user account and select Sign Out. Step 6, after signing out you will see the administrator account in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Administrator Account. Step 7, enter the administrator password, then select Yes in the confirmation prompt. Step 8, once you've logged in as admin, click on the Windows Start button again. Step 9, search File Explorer and open it. Step 10, search for C:\program files\common files, then right-click on the Common Files folder and select Properties. Step 11, in the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Step 12, then click on Edit. Step 13, in the Group or Usernames section, select Users. Step 14, in the Permissions for Users section, allow Modify, Read and Execute, list folder contents, read and write. Step 15, then click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Step 16, once done, reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. Step 17, when the installation process completes, click on the Windows Start button again. Step 18, sign out of Administrator and sign into your usual user account. Step 19, once you've logged in, click on the Windows Start button and type CMD in the search bar. Step 20, click on Run as Administrator in the command prompt result. Step 21, type in Net User Administrator /active no in the command prompt window and press the Enter key. Step 22, now check and see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.